Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online banking account password of Bank of America. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a bankofamerica.com and press enter. Here at the official web page of Bank of America, you can see the login form where you need to provide your online ID, then passcode. Then you click on sign in where you will get logged into your online banking account of Bank of America. As we are going to recover our ID or passcode of Bank of America, you need to click on the link provided forgot ID/passcode. Click on it. Now to recover your passcode or ID, first of all you need to provide your details, that is card or account number that lasts for 6 digits. Now here you need to provide the social security number SSN or tax ID number TIN. If you do not have your SSN or TIN, that is your social security number or tax ID number, you need to click on the link provided don't have an SSN or TIN where you need to follow the further instruction provided. After you fill both the details, you need to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you will be directed to the another page where you need to follow the further instruction provided. Then you will be able to have your ID or passcode recovered. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can recover online banking account password of Bank of America. Thank you.